Hi, is this seat free?
Yes. Go ahead. You can sit here.
Thanks. Today is my first day in this evening English class.
Really? Mine too. Perfect timing. I'm Mark, by the way.
I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lisa.
How are you today?
A little tired. I didn't sleep much last night. You?
I'm okay, but I think I need more sleep too. Evenings are hard after work.
True. What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 11:30 p.m. You?
I try to sleep at 11, but I always end up scrolling on my phone. So, where are you from originally?
I'm from Korea. And you?
I'm from Germany.
How long have you been here?
Almost 1 year. You?
Only 6 months. Everything still feels new.
Do you live near the school?
About 30 minutes away by bus. What about you?
I live close. I can walk here in 15 minutes.
Is your place big?
Not really, just a small apartment. You?
I share a house with 2 roommates. It's fun, but loud.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love rabbits. I had one back in Korea.
I want a dog someday. Maybe a golden retriever.
You dress very neatly. Do you like fashion?
A little. I keep things simple. You?
I like fashion, but comfort comes first.
How did you get here today?
The bus. It was crowded.
I came by bike. I like riding in the evening. Do you spend a lot of time online?
Too much. Mostly Instagram and YouTube. You?
Same. I read news and watch travel videos.
Do you think learning languages helps with relationships?
Definitely. Communication is everything.
True. And meeting new people is fun.
Do you follow any celebrities?
Not really, but I like some Korean actors.
Who usually cooks at your place?
I sometimes cook at home.
Are-
What kind of games do you play?
I play Xbox games when I'm free. Do you play sports?
Yes, I play badminton sometimes. Do you like music?
Yes, I like listening to pop music.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies on weekends.
What movies do you like?
I like watching funny movies.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 6 p.m.
Where do you work?
I work at a tech company. How about you? Where do you work?
I work at a cafe. Do you like your job?
Yes, it is very interesting.
Is your job hard?
Yes, sometimes it's a little hard.
Are there times when you feel worried or stressed?
Yes, sometimes when work is hard. How about you? What kind of work do you do?
I make drinks for customers at a cafe. Do you get along with people at work?
Yes, they are very kind and friendly.
How would you describe your boss?
She's very kind, not strict.
How do you usually spend your free time?
I enjoy riding my bike and swimming.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I'll just stay home and rest.
What is something you really want to do in life?
I want to see the world, learn new cultures, and eat different kinds of food. And you? What is your biggest dream?
I hope to open a cafe someday. It was really nice talking with you, Mark.
Yes, I really enjoyed our chat, Lisa.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely. Let's practice English together next time.
Sounds great. Have a good evening.
You too. Goodbye, Lisa.
Goodbye, Mark. See you in class.